Okay, we're gonna go to example 3, guys. And example 3 is not so bad at all. Okay, guys, just need your patience just a little bit, and it's the power of quotients, guys. And to be able to do this, we need to understand what a power over a power is. This time, usually when you're multiplying powers, you add them. But if you're multiplying a power by a power, you multiply it. So it's really, really important that you see, like in this situation right here, that if you have a 5 times a squared over 6 to this third power, guys, then that's the same thing as if you cannot do anything else, you can say, well, that's 5 to the first power times a squared over 6 to the first power right there. And now watch, guys. This is one of the cute, cool ones. You multiply power by power, power by power, power by power. Okay? So what you end up with here will be, let me see, that will be 5 to the third power, sorry, that doesn't look right. It's 5 to the third power, a to the sixth power, and 6 to the third power. Okay? See, they did it like 1 times 1, so they multiply here first. Let's see if I can erase that. You can tell right here, if they multiply this one by that first, and they got 5 to the third, and then they're going to multiply this one times that, and then they got a third right there, and then we're going to multiply the last one right there, and that's how we get 8 to the sixth power right there. So at the end, 5 times 5 times 5, so 5 to the third power will be 5 times 5, 125. What about 6 to the third power? I think that will be 216, I think. So when worst comes to shove here, guys, you will just say it's just 125, 8 to the 6 all over 216. And if you cannot reduce it, you leave it like that. Can you see that? That's pretty cool. Okay. Now, by the same token, you don't have to do none of this work, guys, if you understand what we're doing here. Now, let's look at this one right here. Okay. Now, watch. Okay. On this one, if you go power by power, it's easy. Now, watch. You go 5 right there, and then times j, and then times I, and then same thing here, guys. 7, and it's a power because there's a 1 right there, okay? And then right there. Okay, so what we have right there, guys, is 5 to the 4th power, because there was 1, j to the 12th power, I to the 8th power, all over, guys, 7 to the 4th power, because there was 1, and k to the 20th power. 5, because that's 5 times 4. Okay? And of course, 5 to the 4th power will be, 5 to the 4th power. It's just 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 4 times, and that's 625. Okay? And then 7 to the 4th power, just 7 times 7 times 7 times 7, which is 2001. Okay? So, let's see. So we get 625, j to the 12th, that doesn't change. I to the 8th, that doesn't change. 2,401, and k to the 20th. Okay. So do we have anything like that? And the answer is yes. It should be B right here. Okay. It should be this one right there. Okay. I hope you can appreciate that, guys, right there. And we check that we can do that. It's just power over power. You multiply the powers. If you don't see a power, then there is 1. You multiply whatever you have to do there. Okay. Okay. I hope that was easy.